In a Sunday address, Apostle Andrew Taunashe, a leader of the family of God Church, delivered a passionate message during urging Zimbabweans to maintain faith in their nation and its leadership. Sana pina mashoko anamdatogwa panapa tiona kuti utaonashe panguva inoi ouya achenda against 31 March protest. Anokonzo utaonashe aiwa anonyatsozivikanwa kuti at many occasions aiwa he is a supporter of the ruling party ZANU-PF. Sana pina mashoko amudanyura pana blog wa subscribe wa like otombe bell icon. Timna Zoom ayi vanamudanyura chiti. He emphasized the importance of unity and support for President Emmerson Mnangagwa, whom he described as the leader chosen by God to guide the country. Apostle Utaunashe called upon his congregation to have unwavering faith in Zimbabwe and to stand in solidarity with the prophet for the nation's prosperity. He led the assembly in affirmations, declaring their collective belief in the nation's divine destiny and the fulfillment of God's promise for Zimbabwe. Addressing the upcoming demonstrations scheduled for March 31, Utaunashe expressed strong disapproval, labeling the intent to protest as influenced by destructive spirit, akin to that which led to the crucifixion of benefactors in the past generations. He questioned the rationale behind targeting President Mnangagwa, a leader who has dedicated his life to the nation's liberation and progress, and cautioned against actions that could destabilize the country. Ndomashwamda panapa tinoti utaonashe anoti aiwa spirit yevanhu vakambouraya Jesu panguva inoi yakubata vanhu vemunyika yeZimbabwe. Zvichinzi aiwa vese vari kukola up from March 31 protest aiwa they must stop what they are trying to do, just because mutungamiri wenyika ari kuuya achimutaura achimuti aiwa akaspare his life akati aiwa ini ndoda kudzikinura nyika yeZimbabwe, ari kuita development nyika yeZimbabwe. Imbotse mafungiro enyu munoti pamusoro pemashoko anodhilipwa nawo Utaunashe. The comment section made mutidze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.